Okay, do it again. I'll do it.
Well, I'll do it.
Okay. You got sandwich. You got the tasty sandwich.
Can you eat it?
Yes. But it's my sandwich.
So no, I can't. But that's not my sandwich.
Yes.
Delicious sandwich.
See,
See, he's eating, people. He can actually eat.
And I've got fresh water that I can drink too.
Yeah, instead of just pour it on things and make them grow.
I'll pour it on you.
No.
Stop hitting on me! I'm not hitting on you. I'm threatening you with water. Will that make you short-circuit?
No, because
No, we're waterproof.
We can function underwater.
I can.
And
Very well.
And we can choke. We can bleed.
I can survive underwater.
Stop watching me. My face is none of your business. Stop it.
Sorry, there's nothing to see here.
Sheik really doesn't want you to cover, he always wants to cover his face because he really has this weird mole right there.
Mole.
No, it's a culture thing.
Mole.
Mole. Oh, culture thing. That's what you want to call it. Oh. Moly.
Just put down your hand for me.
No, you've seen part of, you've seen my cheeks. You don't need to see anymore. Okay. Sorry, hero, it's not working.
That's all right. We'll just freeze frame it, and we'll take the frame that has his face exposed.
Did you just call me a chick?
No?
Okay.
Stop stoning me.
I'm not.
I know you are.
I'm not. It just looks like it is.
I know you are.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
she don't be a girl.
Well, fine then. At least show us how you eat.
I'm not even eating.
Yes.
Okay.
Nom.
Nom.
If you lick her hand and eat.
Lick her hand.
Lick her hand.
His hand, thank you.
It's hand.
It's hand. It's hand.
I'm not Zelda.
It's hand.
We've been through this before. I'm not Zelda.
Hey, we never said you were.
It's time for me to stick up for my friend here. Sheik is not a girl. She's a boy.
Thank you.
I believe. I believe it.
But you're gay.
So am I.
So you don't like me anyway, right?
Yes. Everybody likes Link even though he's gay.
I love you.
You do. She got to bite
Zero's
it.
not
She
gonna
got to
like
bite
this.
it.
No, he's not. Well, he keeps dying.
Well, it's his own fault then.
I can't wait forever.
You keep leading me on. Should have been while you're getting
Leave him alone. You're
totally
torturing the
stuck
poor
up
man.
Okay, enough. I promise I won't bother you again. I gotta focus on my sandwich.
It's a nice sandwich.
Because everyone has eaten almost their entire sandwiches except for me.
Mine was deliciosus. I sucked it in like a vacuum.
Like the trash goat.
Trash goat.
I rode that goat.
You molested
I rode that goat.
It was good.
Oh, I thank you.
Give
up.